Dragon Park. Click. Loading. Downloading. What's happening? Wait, let's play. Let's play. Beep. What happened? Oh. Try again.
Alright, come on. Yes, alright, good.
Taxi driver, perfect. Police. Beep. I'm scared. I'm scared. Stuck. Whew. hurts. So close to hurt. Suv, I already have it. No thanks. Skook, bow! Bah! It was not me, police. It was not me! Skook! Oh! Foo. Woo. Police, that wasn't me. Someone shoved me in the garbage. Yes! Woo! I can't drive! Oh! Skunk back. Skunk. Woo. Skunk. Skunk. No police, baby. Yeah. Ooh. Oopsie. Wait, we're about to switch to chicken. Gone. Wait. You see this mod, my hilarious hacker? No
I
ads.
like chicken gun.
Okay, why you mad?
But 9th update is here.
Wait, what?
Go watch. There's a yellow bee chicken skin, and they have a huggy wuggy face,
A huggy
and they have
wuggy.
monster chicken baby chicken feet.
Monster baby chicken feet?
Yeah. And they have.
Hold on, Wi-Fi. I need Wi-Fi. Snoop boop.
Oh, let's play. Did you see me? Look. You see it? Look. 9th update. There's 2 new updates. Look. We got this gun.
What?
And we got torch.
A torch?
And we got a new skin. Look. What will the
I don't see the up.
because you have mods cannot be updated.
Delete my mod. Delete my mod. How to
Look,
delete?
I tell you, there's a big chicken. Look.
Yellow. It's yellow.
Hold on.
Wow! It's yellow. What the heck?
Is this cool?
What the heck? Hold on, guys. Let me pause this video up. What? No!
Oh, wow.
So, chicken gun is deleted. Let's go to the App Store. Chicken gun. Install.
Oh, look at this sniper shoot.
Pending. ASMR. This is ASMR.
Look.
Huggy's face?
Yeah.
It's a Huggy Wuggy in the shop?
I can have 2 big chicken.
Is Huggy Wuggy in the shop?
No. Yes.
A bear?
Yeah.
What else?
We got a new plane.
I want that plane. I want
Got
it.
a new. We got monsters.
Dress up as Huggy Wuggy.
I cannot be in blue. But okay.
Just try. Bunny is blue. Looks like Huggy. It is not. Wait, I'm Doodle Doo. I'm Doodle Doo. I'm Doodle Doo.
Doodle-doo.
Ah! Wow, look at this plane! Shoosh! Woo! A new car? A truck?
Yeah. A new map.
A new map?
Uh-huh.
Let's see the new map. Misty Town PvP track. 2 new maps?
I say, look.
Change your name.
Let's try this gun.
Whoa! Wait, should we do this for a haunted camping video?
Yes.
The torch! Oh my god! Wait, the thingy's longer.
Where?
This, it's longer.
Shut up!
It's actually a bear. It's actually a bear. What the heck is this? Look how fast it runs. Not a...
Having fun and getting creative. Create your own avatar using tons of options for clothing, makeup, accessories, and hair.
Wait. get some coins first. One. Okay. Hey, they added the new drum sound back. In case I delete the back call. Ah! Yes. No!
Shut up!
Oh, vote.
Just so you know, your mom just came home.
Hey, I have a lot of guns. Hey, thanks, Cello app. Your guns saved well some of them. Let's get a better weapon. You guys are probably thinking what I'm walking to. You know, it's a bat car. Really? Right here. If you touch it or grab it, you can unlock it in your menu, but it's the expensive thingy. It's actually 900 coins for just a single bat car. Alright, let's go to the chopper. Where's the chopper? Chopper! I'm gonna feed you bat car. I hear it. Chopper. Alright. Alright, we have our coins. Alright, what's our thing we can buy? Let's go offline mode. Space 2. We're in space, baby. We're going to some secret. Alright. So get your weapon out. Who is it? A secret hat! Let's go get it with a plane. Our default plane first. That's our default plane. Actually, we have this plane. Shoo, shoo, coosh! Walk into it. If it disappears, that means you have it. Look in your menu. Hats all the way to the very end. Not that. What the heck? Hold on, so you guys can make sure I'm a boy. Suncat Gaming boy. Cause I'm a boy. Boy, yeah. Much more better. Alright, we also need our long beak. Let's buy it. Alright, I bought it. Whoa, they have these shoes? No way, I'm getting them. Flip flop shoes. This one's much more cheaper, but wow. I need this tail. So expensive. Alright. Nice update. New update. New update. New update. Very. He said yes, very call. You mean cool? You mean cool? Question mark, question mark, question mark. Question mark, question mark, question mark. Wait, this isn't Strike for Strings box. Here we go, another ad. What the heck? What the heck is this? Ooh. Arm simulator. Break it. Virus. Oh? What the? Okay. Chicken, man. Oh. Oh. No. It did not. There's a new thingy as a bomb that can one shot. Dang. That's anything else new? Beds! You can get the beds! It can be bunk beds for jail. Help me, I'm absolutely stuck here. Absolutely stuck here. Who wants the big bomb? I do. Alright, here's here a hacker. Let's have a big bomb. A candle? A working candle! This candle works! Whatever. Hey, they have new buildings. This is exactly a copyright! They copyrighted the house. They copied the house. Wow, this is amazing. Who wants the one-shot bomb? Who wants the one-shot bomb? The one-shot
Wait,
bomb.
do they have it? Well, they're saying they have it?
Yeah, one-shot bomb.
Where?
Here, Some look. Bomb. Come. It's exploded. Think I get Gaming Boy. Spy Cakes, cute baby Vip. Spy Cakes, I watch him. Hold on. What's the exit? Exit. Cyan Head. Scion Head. Where's he? I can't find him. Who wants the big bomb? Who wants the big bomb? Pow! Ah! Killed me and him. Ooh. Who wants the bat boy? Ah! Torch. The torch actually lights the fleek up. Whoa! Wah, 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 wah! Who wants a big pew pew? Wah, wah, ah, wow. Who wants a big pew pew? Bah! It looks like we have a bald Huggy right now. Do you have anything else new in here? Only a bomb? In bed. Guess it's a bunk bed. If someone sleeps at the top. Wow. Alright, make sure to like and subscribe, guys. And hit the bell so you'll never miss another video.